My name's Amanda Kim. I am a principal at Avante Capital Partners. I'm also a proud mama of 2 kids. I have JJ, who's almost 5, and Stephanie, who's almost 1. JJ turns 5 in January, which also means that it is my working mom anniversary. So as I reflect on that, one of my proudest moments is that I actually got promoted the year that I came back from maternity leave. Becoming a mom, in my opinion, made me hyper-focused and more impactful. Every minute that you're spending working, every day that you're away from your kids, you're making a choice. Is what I'm doing at work more important in this moment than being with my kids at home? I believe that it is. Because if we don't have people from different backgrounds investing, then capital will continue to flow to a narrow audience only. I am so thankful for Avante's support for diverse perspectives in investing. But looking at the data, not all women are as lucky. Someone recently told me that there's an epidemic of women leaving the asset management industry. While women start at about 50% of entrants, they hold only 15% of managing director positions, as you can see on the slide. The data is even more stark when we look at professionals of color and actual asset owners. 70% of the US population, and yet only 6% of AUM and PE. This is the problem we're trying to solve at Avante. Avante is Latin for moving forward. But what are we moving forward from? Oops. We are moving forward from the same people, doing the same things, moving in the same direction, and racing to the bottom. Avante was created to consistently capture alpha by doing things differently. And we've achieved this for the last 15 years. One of the first things our managing partner, Evelise Rodriguez-Simon, up there in the red jacket, taught me is that people who look like us don't get a second chance. As a private credit fund, Avante seeks to be the best. 0 cash loan losses, 4 times MOIC in our realized equity, 21% net IRR on our third fund, on our first fund, with our second and third funds trending similarly. Equity-like returns with debt-like risk. PitchBook just ranked us as the #3 best performing private credit fund of families globally. We are just in front of Apollo that ranked #4. Consistency. We have never lost money for our investors on a loan across 58 platform investments. We are investing alongside the best private equity firms in growing companies, resilient industries with high EBITDA margins. Opportunity. Avante is a recognized leader in the lower middle market. There are 180,000 small businesses looking for investment. We see an opportunity for impact, better economics, governance, and ultimately stronger value-added relationships in this market. And finally, Avante's differentiation and impact. As you may have gathered from the team slide, Avante is comprised of 90% women, minorities, or both. We have built a unique channel of over 1,000 women in the lower middle market private equity. We have closed 2/3 of our deals from this network. We support diverse professionals in all stages of their careers, beginning with our Small Business Investing Scholars Diversity Internship Program at the undergraduate level, to most recently our Diverse Independent Sponsor Symposium. For those of you who are interested in private credit or private credit with equity-like returns, please come find me after this presentation. At $1 billion of AUM, we know that our direct impact may be limited, but we seek to send Avante advocates for diversity out into the industry such that we will see real change. To circle back on what I shared at the beginning about our amazing culture and team at Avante, I want to close with a working mom story. When my son JJ had a seizure a few months back during our quarterly investor meeting, Evelise's response wasn't, "Can you wait a few minutes?" Instead, she offered to drive me home herself. The world needs more firms like Avante who want to be both excellent and make change in the world. Thank you to SOCAP and JP Morgan for allowing us this opportunity to deliver strong returns and impact for you. Thank you.